Hello friends, welcome to Success Series Education. Today we'll discuss countries, capitals and currencies. The capital of Afghanistan is Kabul and the currency is Afghani. Next we have Albania, the capital is Tirana and the currency is Lek. The next country on the list is Algeria, the capital is Algiers and the currency is dinar. Next we have Andorra, the capital is Andorra la Vella and the currency is euro. The next country Angola, the capital of Angola is Luanda and the currency is New Kwanza. St. John's is the capital of Antigua and Barbuda and the currency is East Caribbean dollar. The next country on our list is Argentina, the capital is Buenos Aires and the currency is peso. Yerevan is the capital of Armenia and the currency is dram. The next country is Australia, the capital being Canberra and the currency is Australian dollar. Austria, the capital is Vienna and the currency is euro. The next country is Azerbaijan, the capital is Baku and the currency manat. Nassau is the capital of the Bahamas and the currency is Bahamian dollar. Next we have Bahrain, the capital is Manama and the currency is Bahrain dinar. Bangladesh capital is Dhaka and the currency is taka. The next country is Barbados, the capital is Bridgetown and the currency is Barbados dollar. Next we have Belarus, the capital is Minsk and the currency is Belarusian ruble. Belgium has the capital as Brussels and the currency is euro. Belmopan is the capital of Belize and the currency is Belize dollar. The next country is Benin and the capital is Porto Nova and the currency is CFA franc. Next we have Bhutan, the capital is Thimphu and the currency is Gultrum. The next country is Bolivia, the capital is La Paz for administrative and Sucre for judicial and the currency is Boliviano. Next we have Bosnia and Herzegovina, the capital is Sarajevo and the currency is convertible mark. Botswana's capital is Gaborone and the currency is Puila. Next country is Brazil, the capital is Brasilia and the currency is Real. The next country on our list is Brunei, the capital is Bandar Seri Begawan and the currency is Brunei dollar. Sofia is the capital of Bulgaria and the currency is Lev. Ouagadougou is the capital of Burkina Faso and the currency is CFA franc. The next country is Burundi, the capital is Gitega and the currency is Burundi franc. Next we have Cambodia, the capital is Phnom Penh and the currency is Riel. Cameroon's capital is Yaoundé and the currency is CFA franc. The next country is Canada, the capital is Ottawa and the currency Canadian dollar. Next we have Cape Verde, the capital is Praia and the currency Cape Verdean escudo. Bangui is the capital of Central African Republic and the currency is CFA franc. The next country is Chad, the capital is N'Djamena and the currency is CFA franc. Santiago is the capital of Chile and the currency is Chilean peso. Beijing is the capital of China and the currency is Chinese yuan. Bogota is the capital of Colombia and the currency is Colombian peso. Moroni is the capital of Comoros and the currency is franc. Republic of Congo has the capital Brazzaville and the currency is CFA franc. Democratic Republic of Congo has the capital Kinshasa and the currency Congolese franc. Costa Rica has the capital San Jose and the currency Colon. Cote d'Ivoire has the capital Yamoussoukro for official and Abidjan for de facto and the currency is CFA franc. Zagreb is the capital of Croatia and the currency is Croatian. Havana is the capital of Cuba and the currency is Cuban peso. Nicosia is the capital of Cyprus and the currency is euro. Czech Republic has the capital Prague and the currency koruna. Denmark has the capital Copenhagen and the currency Danish krone. Djibouti has the capital Djibouti and the currency is Djiboutian franc. Roseau is the capital of Dominica and the currency is East Caribbean dollar. Santiago Domingo is the capital of Dominican Republic and the currency is Dominican peso. Dili is the capital of East Timor and the currency is US dollar. Quito is the capital of Ecuador and the currency is US dollar. Egypt has the capital Cairo and the currency is Egyptian pound. El Salvador has the capital San Salvador and the currency is colon and US dollar. Equatorial Guinea has the capital Malabo and the currency CFA franc. Eritrea has the capital Asmara and the currency Nakfa. Estonia has the capital Tallinn and the currency Estonia kroon or euro. Ethiopia has the capital Addis Ababa and the currency is birr. Fiji has the capital Suva and the currency Fiji dollar. Helsinki is the capital of Finland and the currency is euro. Paris is the capital of France and the currency is euro. Libreville is the capital of Gabon and the currency is CFA franc. Banjul is the capital of Gambia and the currency is Dalasi. The capital of Georgia is Tbilisi and the currency is lari. The capital of Germany is Berlin. The currency is euro. The capital of Ghana is Accra and the currency is cedi. The capital of Greece is Athens and the currency is euro. St. George is the capital of Grenada and the currency is East Caribbean dollar. Guatemala City is the capital of Guatemala and the currency is Quetzal. Guinea has the capital Conakry and the currency is Guinean franc. Guinea-Bissau has the capital Bissau and the currency CFA franc. Georgetown is the capital of Guyana and the currency is Guyanese dollar. Port-au-Prince is the capital of Haiti and the currency is Corde. Tegucigalpa is the capital of Honduras and the currency is Lempira. Budapest is the capital of Hungary and the currency is forint. Reykjavik is the capital of Iceland and the currency is Icelandic krona. New Delhi is the capital of India and the currency is Indian rupee. Jakarta is the capital of Indonesia and the currency is rupiah. Iran's capital is Tehran, the currency is rial. Iraq's capital is Baghdad and the currency is Iraqi dinar. Ireland's capital is Dublin and the currency is euro. Israel's capital is Jerusalem and the currency is shekel. Italy's capital is Rome and the currency is euro. Ivory Coast's capital Yamoussoukro and the currency West African CFA franc. Kingston is the capital of Jamaica and the currency is Jamaican dollar. Tokyo is the capital of Japan and the currency is yen. Amman is the capital of Jordan and the currency is Jordanian dinar. Kazakhstan capital is Nur Sultan and the currency is tenge. Kenya's capital is Nairobi and the currency is Kenya shilling. Tarawa Atoll is the capital of Kiribati and the currency is Kiribati dollar. Pyongyang is the capital of North Korea and the currency is won. Seoul is the capital of South Korea and the currency is won. Pristina is the capital of Kosovo and the currency is euro. Kuwait City is the capital of Kuwait and the currency is Kuwaiti dollar. Bishkek is the capital of Kyrgyzstan and the currency is som. Vientiane is the capital of Laos and the currency is Newkip. Riga is the capital of Latvia and the currency is lats. Lebanon capital is Beirut, currency is Lebanese pound. Lesotho capital is Maseroom and the currency is Maluti. Liberia, capital is Monrovia, currency is Liberian dollar. Libya, capital is Tripoli, currency is Libyan dinar. Liechtenstein, capital is Vaduz and the currency is Swiss franc. Lithuania, capital is Vilnius and the currency is Litas. The next country on our list is Luxembourg. The capital is Luxembourg and the currency is euro. Next we have Macedonia. The capital is Skopje and the currency is dinar. Antananarivo is the capital of Madagascar and the currency is Malagasy Ariary. Lilongwe is the capital of Malawi, currency is Kwacha. The next country is Malaysia, the capital is Kuala Lumpur and the currency is ringgit. Next we have Maldives, capital is Malé and the currency is rupiah. Bamako is the capital of Mali and the currency is CFA franc. Next we have Malta, capital is Valletta and the currency is euro. The next country on our list is Marshall Islands, capital is Majuro and the currency is US dollar. The capital of Mauritania is Nouakchott and the currency is Uguaa. Mauritius, capital is Port Louis and the currency is Mauritian rupee. The next country is Mexico, the capital is Mexico City and the currency is Mexican peso. Next we have Federated State of Micronesia, the capital is Palikir and the currency is US dollar. Next we have Moldova, the capital is Chisinau and the currency leu. Monte Carlo is the capital of Monaco and the currency is euro. The next country on our list is Mongolia, the capital is Ulaanbaatar and the currency is Togrog. The next country Montenegro, capital is Podgorica and the currency is euro. Morocco's capital is Rabat and the currency is dirham. Mozambique, capital is Maputo and the currency is Metical. Next we have Myanmar, the capital is Naypyidaw and the currency Kyat. Windhoek is the capital of Namibia and the currency is Namibian dollar. Next we have Nauru, there is no official capital and the currency used is Australian dollar. The next country on our list is Nepal, the capital is Kathmandu and the currency is Nepalese rupee. Amsterdam is the capital of Netherlands and the currency is euro. Wellington is the capital of New Zealand and the currency is New Zealand dollar. Nicaragua is the capital of Managua and the currency is gold Cordoba. Niamey is the capital of Niger and the currency is CFA franc. Abuja is the capital of Nigeria and the currency is Naira. The next country is Norway, the capital is Oslo and the currency is Norwegian krone. Next we have Oman, the capital is Muscat and the currency is Omani Riyal. Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan and the currency is Pakistani rupee. The next country is Palau and the capital is Melekeok, currency is US dollar. Next we have Palestine, the capital is Ramallah, East Jerusalem and the currency is Palestine pound. Panama City is the capital of Panama and the currency is Balboa US dollar. Next country is Papua New Guinea, the capital is Port Moresby and the currency is Kina. The next country on the list is Paraguay, the capital is Asunción and the currency is Guarani. Lima is the capital of Peru and the currency is Nuevo Sol. Manila is the capital of Philippines and the currency is peso. The next country is Poland, the capital is Warsaw and the currency is zloty. Next we have Portugal, the capital is Lisbon and the currency is euro. Doha is the capital of Qatar and the currency is Qatari Riyal. The next country is Romania, the capital is Bucharest and the currency is Romanian rupee. Moscow is the capital of Russia and the currency is ruble. Kigali is the capital of Rwanda and the currency is Rwandan franc. The next country is St. Kitts and Nevis and the capital is Basseterre and the currency is East Caribbean dollar. Next we have St. Lucia, the capital is Castries and the currency is East Caribbean dollar. St. Vincent and the Grenadines, capital is Kingston and the currency is East Caribbean dollar. Apia is the capital of Samoa and the currency is Tala. San Marino is the capital of San Marino and the currency is Euro. Next we have Sao Tome and Principe. The capital is Sao Tome and the currency Dobra. Saudi Arabia's capital is Riyadh and the currency is Riyal. Senegal's capital is Dakar, currency is CFA franc. Serbia's capital is Belgrade, currency is Serbian dinar. Seychelles' capital is Victoria and currency is Seychelles rupee. Next we have Sierra Leone, the capital is Freetown and the currency is Leone. Singapore is the capital of Singapore and the currency is Singapore dollar. Bratislava is the capital of Slovakia, currency is Euro. Slovenia capital is Ljubljana and currency is Slovenian tolar and Euro. Honiara is the capital of Solomon Islands and the currency is Solomon Islands dollar. Somalia capital is Mogadishu and currency is Somali shilling. South Africa's capital is Cape Town, currency is Rand. Juba is the capital of South Sudan and the currency is Sudanese pound. Madrid is the capital of Spain and the currency is Euro. Colombo is the capital of Sri Lanka and the currency is Sri Lankan rupee. Sudan capital is Khartoum and currency is Sudanese pound. Next country is Suriname. The capital is Paramaribo and the currency is Surinamese dollar. The next country is Swaziland. Capital is Babane and currency is Lilangeni. Stockholm is the capital of Sweden and the currency is krona. Bern is the capital of Switzerland and the currency is Swiss franc. The next country is Syria. The capital is Damascus and the currency is Syrian pound. Next we have Taiwan. Capital is Taipei and the currency Taiwan dollar. Next we have Tajikistan. Capital is Dushanbe and currency Somoni. Dar es Salaam is the capital of Tanzania and the currency is Tanzanian shilling. Bangkok is the capital of Thailand and the currency Baht. Togo capital Lome and currency CFA franc. The next country Tonga, capital is Nuku'alofa and currency Panga. Next we have Trinidad and Tobago. The capital is Port of Spain and the currency Trinidad and Tobago dollar. Tunisia's capital is Tunis and currency is Tunisian dinar. The next country is Turkey. The capital is Ankara and the currency is Turkish lira. Next we have Turkmenistan. The capital is Ashgabat and the currency is Manat. Waiku village, Funafuti province is the capital of Tuvalu and the currency is Tuvaluan dollar. The next country is Uganda. The capital is Kampala and the currency is Ugandan new shilling. Next we have Ukraine. The capital is Kyiv and the currency is hryvnia. Next is United Arab Emirates. The capital is Abu Dhabi and the currency UAE dirham. London is the capital of United Kingdom and the currency is pound sterling. Next we have United States of America. The capital is Washington DC and the currency is dollar. Uruguay, the capital is Montevideo and the currency is Uruguay peso. Tashkent is the capital of Uzbekistan and the currency is Uzbekistani some. Next we have Vanuatu. The capital is Port Vila and the currency Vatu. The next country is Vatican City and the capital is Vatican City and the currency is euro. Next we have Venezuela. The capital is Caracas and the currency is Bolivar. Vietnam's capital is Hanoi and the currency is Dong. Yemen, capital is Sana'a and currency is Riyal. The next country is Zambia. The capital is Lusaka and the currency is Kwacha. Next we have Zimbabwe. Capital is Harare and currency is US dollar. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, do subscribe to Success CDs Education.